Hi, I'm Matt from Technical Service. You may remember me from such how-to videos as how to pair your 20S Evo headset and how to do a software update. Today, we're going to talk through an Intercontinental map replacement on the Boombox GTS infotainment system. To do that, we're going to need three things. We're going to need the bike, the computer, and a blank USB drive. It's got to be formatted as a FAT32 and a minimum of 16 gigabytes. To begin, we're going to want to go to the bike and create a fingerprint file. Let's begin by installing the USB drive into the vehicle. You'll see a message stating no playable media found. Select OK. Select Setup. Scroll down to System Information. Now, select Navigation. At the bottom, you'll see Export for Update. Select that. Select USB, and the process is going to begin. The process takes a couple minutes to create the fingerprint. You'll receive a message stating Export Complete. Select OK. Select Home, and remove the USB. With the fingerprint now loaded on the USB, we can take the USB to the computer and keep going with the process. With the Boombox GTS toolbox running, the USB drive will be recognized and you'll be asked to log in or register. If you haven't created a login, go ahead and do that now. If you do, go ahead and use your login and password to enter your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the update section. It'll show you your current content related to the USB drive. Selecting Home. Select By Content. You'll see a list of map databases available to you. Go ahead and select the region you're looking to download. You'll see a buy icon on the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select that to begin the purchasing process. Next, you'll see some terms and conditions for the payment process. Go ahead and agree to those. Once you select Buy, you'll see another confirmation to purchase as well as the purchase price. Next, you'll be asked to enter an invoice address. If you're a dealership, this is going to be your dealership address. If you're a customer, go ahead and use your home address. Once complete, select the payment option. Now, we're going to enter our credit card information to complete the payment. Enter your credit card information and security code and select Pay. You'll receive a message stating your payment was successful. Select Continue. Once the payment information is complete, we're going to proceed to the download and install steps. Now we're going to download the maps to the USB drive to then take to the bike. Your purchase will now synchronize with the toolbox. Now that we've downloaded the files to the USB, we can take the USB, remove it from the computer, and take it over to the bike to continue on with the process. Take the USB with the map content downloaded and plug it into the vehicle. Now select Install to begin the replacement process going from the US maps to the EU maps. Now that the download's been completed, you can remove the USB drive. Now we've completed the Intercontinental map replacement and loaded the new regional maps into the bike. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, throw us a like, and we'll see you next time.